Designing a survey should not be an expendable task to add to your business. On the contrary, as you collect as much information about your customers and their preferences, you can better onboard them with your products and services. So, having a survey software that adjusts to any company will be a helpful asset because you can only focus on that data collection instead of wasting time and money experimenting with limited tools. In today's video, we will show you 4 industries that can benefit from SurveySparrow, an online tool that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze customer interactions, delivering a great customer experience and increasing survey completion rates by 40%. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to SoftwareTrailers.com. Whatever your requirements are, SurveySparrow has all the tools and alternatives you need. The platform helps you implement an ever-improving end-to-end experience management system. As a result, you can delight your audience by using simpler workflows and automation. Using powerful segmentation, contact management tools, or CSV files, you can easily view visitor participation and optimize your audience's experience, as well as access your favorite HR or CRM software from one place. Before jumping to all the industries in which SurveySparrow works best, let us talk about a crucial key point for your company: doing good market research. Online market research can help you gain insights into consumer patterns, the weather in the marketplace, and more. You'll reap the benefits of promoting your product and services in the proper market once you find a suitable audience. In this way, your company will determine the appropriate market and position your product correctly. Online survey software like SurveySparrow can also help you learn more about your target audience. Once you've gathered the data, you'll be able to put it to good use by doing a thorough market analysis and drawing valuable conclusions about your target audience. In addition, knowing the level of competition will give you a leg up in dealing with any obstacles that might arise. Because of this, having an online survey program can make a difference. Briefly said, SurveySparrow is a great tool for conducting market research surveys that will allow you to better understand your target market, set the proper price for your product, and uncover any problems your company is now facing. SurveySparrow allows you to use hospital surveys to improve healthcare quality. You'll be able to pinpoint problem areas, cut down on resource wastage, gauge employee enthusiasm, and pinpoint individuals in your organization who need extra help from management. When conducting medical research on new pharmaceuticals or medical technologies, you can use automated surveys and scheduled reporting. In addition, by completing pre-appointment research and collecting all of the essential patient data, such as medical history, you can acquire valuable data. As a result, it is easier to maintain and gain access to patient data. Advanced report filters enable you to dig deeper into the responses and generate more productive reports, while real-time feedback collecting helps speed up response times. You will be able to do high-frequency research in a short period of time. The Slack interface allows you to collect quick survey responses. You can also reach out to more than 10 niche audiences, including veterinarians, app developers, building contractors, gamers, small business owners, and others. Additionally, you can take advantage of the capabilities of smartphones by asking respondents to take images, videos, or engage in mobile diaries. You will gain access to millions of survey respondents, providing you with an ever-expanding universe. To preserve the integrity of research panels, QuestionPro uses stringent recruitment processes and maintains them on an ongoing basis, cutting-edge technology with global integrated solutions and panel count in real time to ensure login. Did you see how flexible is SurveySparrow to implement effective surveys for your specific industry? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy SurveySparrow services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see 2 other industries in which this platform works best. Online school surveys from SurveySparrow are the quickest and most convenient way to gather candid feedback. Giving your students, instructors, and parents a place to voice their opinions will help your school maintain its focus on academic excellence. In addition, school boards and administrators can improve student engagement and educational quality by proactively assessing instructors. It is crucial to keep the learning experience enjoyable and rewarding because education plays a significant part in your students' lives. Education surveys can be developed, sent, and analyzed in only a few clicks with SurveySparrow. While course surveys can help your school, weakening the need to review the courses you offer could harm your reputation periodically. Ensure that the course is up to date and meets international standards by conducting course evaluation surveys. Your guests and clients will benefit from SurveySparrow's ability to learn more about them, and you can keep an eye on what your customers want and what they're looking for. You'll learn everything you need to know about how to keep customers coming back with feature-rich customer satisfaction surveys. It's all about making sure your customers have the most significant possible experience, and SurveySparrow's custom-made survey platform helps you achieve just that. With the extensive personalization options provided, you will customize your brand's image exactly how you want it to be seen. When designing your surveys, you'll have a wide range of options at your disposal. Create amazing surveys using SurveySparrow by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.